Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the Mantis Angular 20 free admin dashboard template. Yes, free. There are two versions in free and pro. So we are doing free and also I have customized it by adding brand new page. Also I will share that page as well. So first before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So we see Mantis Angular free admin dashboard template. See the sidebar with toggle functionality, search, notification toggle and user toggle as well. And here is the content section. See beautiful charts, works well. Beautiful tables and analytics report as well. And the beautiful sales report, bar chart, and transaction history as well. See, and guys, these are the pages we will get in free version as well. And here is the Git repo from where I got this dashboard, and you will get login and registration page as well in free version. Also, one sample page, and now I have made one page, the custom page, user page. See, see, here's a custom page I have made. Like I can say already customized. So you can do more better than this by adding new pages as well. So here's the page, works well and fully comfortable with this layout. See, the user management page, the user data as well. See, also the click functionality works well. One more thing, see, add user pop-up as well. See the beautiful Bootstrap modal pop-up. See, works well. So guys, see, the page works well, and here is the Git repo from where I get this free version, and also I have customized this, and now I will show you the code as well. See, first I have run the command for this custom component, ng generate c for component space user management inside the demo that I will show you. See, I have just run these four commands. First git clone, then npm install, and then ng generate component inside demo folder user management, then npm start, and then and here's my html data. See, and .ts file. See, user interface, the demo data, static data, and the click button functionality as well. And also to show the link inside nav and set the route, I have just made few things. First, insert the navigation. I have just set the navigation in sidebar. Why are doing this? See, very simple. And for routing, see, for routing, path users and load component. Import the component, very simple, and that's it. Just three or four steps then, and we are done with customization. See, and it works like charm and set with default layout as well. See, so friends, see, works well. And like I said, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And see, friends, here's my YouTube channel from where I publish my all the videos, and this is my blog from where you will get the code as well. See, also you will get multiple free things on my blog like for Angular, for React, and Vue level as well. And see the Angular admin templates. There are multiple Angular admin templates, and all are free of cost. See, friends, works well. So, guys, this is it. And in the end, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, and after this, I will come with more free stuff as well. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.